So, hey everyone, Rohan Dhawan here, founder of Uability, and again, we have one of our clients of our Uability Elite program here, Lubna, with us, who again has done some phenomenal work so far, and she's still proceeding with the program. She's still yet to complete it, but despite even though she hasn't completed it, despite that, she was able to make some phenomenal changes in her perspective, her thinking, as well as her business as well. So super proud of you, Lubna. And just before I get into the results, if you don't mind, can you just tell everyone a little bit about your background and how did you get into this space? I think you're doing digital marketing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how did you get into this digital marketing domain?
Yeah, so hello everyone. My name is Lubna and I am from Bareilly region, a small city in Uttar Pradesh. As like my education, I am a software developer, and my education is I have done BTech. So I was a software developer at that time, and I have done jobs related to that. But as my passion was more into marketing, so I started doing marketing of like one of my family member who was having one business of cosmetics. So I was just giving her small suggestions that how she should do it and what all strategies. It now I call it strategy. That time it was like a small suggestion. So she really liked it, and she told me, कि why Lubna you aren't doing this? मतलब why you are doing this coding part, which is obviously very boring to her. So
Yeah.
she told to me that you should do this. So I also felt that okay, because I have this I have this thing of speaking and telling people and meeting with new people. So like from the childhood only, I was having this thing in me. So I thought of it and I got it in. I started researching on it from Google and how what is digital and what would basically first marketing, and then because it was connected to my domain
Right.
online, and I was doing websites and all, so I thought of doing it digitally. So that time, because actually Bareilly is a very small space that time when I started with it. So there were no institutes, there were no thing that I can go to it, and I was not able to go outside also. So my early education and my normal graduation is from this city only. I have gone to Bangalore for around 2 years for just to explore the job opportunities there. So I did job there, and then because I would have to come back to Bareilly, so I started a small business of mine. So doing SEO of because I have been studying. So my study have not taken any like education or any proper courses in this digital marketing. So it was because of my passion and I was going through it. So I researched several topics on internet, and then I helped one of my friend of interior designing. So I talked to her कि चलो ठीक है, you are having a WordPress website, so let me just explore it how it is being done. So I started with it. Then that time she was paying me around 5,000 for one
Wow.
for 2 3 months. Okay, he was paying me कि चलो ठीक है, you are doing it, so let me because she was getting good results out of it. So I started with that, and then because she was getting good results, so I got confidence, and then I stepped to make my own company. Then my husband was also into this IT business, so so now he's taking care of the IT part and I'm taking care of the digital marketing part. So I was then having around 5 to 6 employees, and we were having like varied fields of like projects of different brands here in Bareilly. And as I told that Bareilly is not a very developed city, as I should say. So it is like I have to educate the people that what actually is digital marketing. So I started with the training part also.
Right.
So that training part is like I was having a small office, and there I conducted a small workshop which was free of cost to students, because it's a good like institute here. Around 13 14 institutes are there of professional courses. So I hosted one of the workshop, and it was free of cost, and I was expecting around 30 40 which I was having seating, but it crossed around 100 plus. So I had to say no to them. And then my husband told me, Lubna, you should do it like in on a big platform or
Exactly.
a big place. So I started with that. I educated some of the small entrepreneurs also who are having small businesses, and like the small businesses which they were not able to actually hire the digital marketing person, but they actually want to do it by their own.
Hmm.
So I gave them training, whatever, and it was actually not the theoretical training which now the people are doing. It was more of practicality because I was
Right.
having clients, so I just tell them that these are the things which you have to do and
Hmm.
just do it. So they experimented and they also got good results. So obviously I got a lot of confidence, but yes, this actually is about me. That I have been doing this since around 4 years.
Wow, that's been like quite a journey. So, at that time, Lubna, like when you were doing this institute stuff, you also had your, small business going on when you were working with clients, right? Doing
Yes,
digital
yes.
marketing for them. Okay. So, tell me something like, at that point of time, what kind of problems or challenges you were facing, and, what was your situation like before you even considered joining UAbility?
Yes, as before, because when I joined COVID, it was the second, I think, second wave of COVID. When the second wave, so first wave was like because everyone was it happened, like everyone was very it was a sudden thing, so everyone was like that it happened, so we have to cope it. But when
Right.
the second wave hit, so obviously we have to do certain new things to our business and every normal day-to-day life also.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, before like I got up to this course. So before that, I wanted to tell about something like I was having a good having a good income and having a good business. I was having around 5 to 6 employees also.
Hmm.
So we were doing a good stuff. But the main thing that I was thinking was that I have to run to small clients,
Mm-hmm.
and and they were like making a mess in my head. So they were like that if you I was because I have not got a training from someone. It was like practical experience. So
Hmm.
obviously I wanted to give them also the main things whatever they can experience from
Right.
digital marketing. So what basically people don't think what is digital marketing about. It is like they don't actually feel the concept of digital.
Right.
It's like they just want to be okay. Online presence is there and so
Hmm.
stuff. So they are
A
not
website
actually
bana
able to.
liya and just post on
Yeah, yeah,
Facebook.
yeah. So they are not
Yeah.
actually, they don't feel the essence of it.
Mm-hmm.
So and because just to educate them, I was like giving, like it was giving a lot of frustration to my head,
I can
and
imagine.
it was like I was getting into it, and other people who were around me, they were also feeling that Lubna is getting mad, just go out of it. So and I was actually having a child also. So now
Mm-hmm.
she's 2, and that time she was like 6 months old. So I was like, because I have to see to her also, and then business, and then this shit is whatever is going on. So obviously, I was like that I should go to other places
Hmm.
to pitch for businesses or to pitch to our but actually I was not getting so much of like exposure to other places, as
Hmm.
I was having a kid also, having a kid, and then going to Delhi, going to Noida or other places, so it was being like getting difficult
Absolutely.
obviously. But when the second wave of COVID hit, so I was like that I should do something which has to be like different from the crowd or from the people who are doing this, like
Hmm.
in our region or in our nearby area. So I should do something else. So then I got to I saw that ad, and there were n number of ads.
I can
Now
imagine.
also, there are a number of ads, but that time also, because that time was COVID, so everyone was like pitching like hell, and I don't I don't want to say that those words, but it was like I don't know what has to be done. But when I got to know, so I thought to myself, and then I discussed with my husband also that maybe I should go for a call and then we were not able to. I talked to Pratham,
Hmm.
and I was not able to do the Zoom session because of I think some network issue. So it was a phone call, and he obviously told me everything, which now I tell to people. Yes, and but he was able to like influence me and tell actually about my business. He touched my negative point, and then he wanted to like improvise it, and so then I said to myself that okay, why not? Let's try it. So there were some issues with the actually that time because it was a second COVID, and I was actually very much like not actually this was a second new marketing strategy which I should add to my business. For that I have to have a budget which is separated from other expenses which were going. So I thought that I should do a credit card thing, and then so I spoke to my one of my friend, and it was like I think 4 days after I was able to do it. But then when I started with this, so obviously the first video was very mesmerizing. I was like, okay, now it's like my work that I should continue with it. So and my perspective of even actually dealing with the clients was very narrow, which I should say. That I was not able to actually tell about them that what actually they are facing, because actually they were not paying me first. Secondly, they were not actually engaging as I was like I wanted to. So they were like that. Okay, जो हो रहा है वो होने दो. It is not like this. We have to just pay you for the month, and then you just give us the reports और हो गया. And मतलब it was not
Yeah.
like it was not very attaching, or I should like work for them. वैसा वाला feeling I was also not getting. So by after shifting to Uability, obviously my perspective has changed. That I am now able to actually pinpoint the problem which the
Problems.
owner or the business is happening. And secondly, that time we were dealing with everybody. Like we were thinking that because digital marketing, so everybody can
Exactly.
do. So we were like pitching everybody, and people were like that. Acha, you are doing this also. You are doing this also. So obviously, I was feeling like at the back of my mind, it was like yeah, that I am having like 100 or 200 clients, but it was nothing of quality.
Quality.
Yeah. So after joining obviously Uability, I started with this niche. So I now I am, because actually my family background, like my maternal and my paternal also, so they are all politicians basically. So I was having like the starting, I was having this thing that I really like that thing, because I am into this from my childhood. So now I'm helping politicians in maintaining their ORL.
Wow.
So yes, so like I have got good results out of it also. That I'm maintaining like the field campaigning also, because I have seen whatever my parents or whatever my maternal side they have been doing it. So now I'm able to tell them that how they should do it. So I have been doing like good number of politicians in India, I should say now. And that time, because actually I was before joining Uability, I was just confined to our city mayor. Yeah, so that because I was not able to actually talk to people about what actually their problem is and but now as people can say that politicians are a very like they are difficult to tackle to them. But now it's been very easy to me, because now I know that these are the problems which they must be facing. So now I'm having a proper what do you
System.
say, a proper series of points which I have to say. So obviously if it is not happening to one thing, like one take is not this, second pe wo hoga hi hoga, I know that.
Right.
Yeah.
You have that confidence now, right?
Yes. But I should say that it has been after joining Uability only that I have got that confidence that yes, I can push to now number of 9. So now after like this is for actually my niche. Now I have shifted some of my work to e-commerce websites also. So we are doing some of the very good e-commerce businesses in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. Matlab, like I am
Oh,
now pitching them
international.
also.
Nice.
Yes. So like these things I am able to now explore, which I was not able to do before joining Uability.
Right. So before the clients you had, you were basically stuck to just your area, and now you are able to even reach
Yes.
out to people in Malaysia and everywhere as well, right?
Yes, 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 yes,
Wow,
yes.
that's truly amazing. And tell me something, Lubna. Being like from the same industry, digital marketing. Most digital marketers have this belief, यार, कि ये information तो YouTube पे भी मिल जाएगी. ये information तो it's like widely available. ये तो आता है मुझे. Like I can figure all this stuff out on my own. And also, as you said, कि you were seeing so many ads, and till date you see so many ads. So my question is, Luna, कि despite knowing कि यार information is available on the internet, and despite seeing so many ads, why did you decide, number one, to book a call with us specifically, and number two, on the call we didn't ask you for a few hundred rupees, because you might see digital marketing ka course is for 500 rupees, there's for 1000
Yeah.
rupees, right? So why did you, number one, book a call with us, and why did you pay us as compared to everybody else?
So firstly, like when I got to know about this ad, so I was like that because there were other multiple ads also running simultaneously, but it was like because other people who were they were like directly selling. Because I was into this industry, so I was knowing about this thing that it is not actually about direct selling. You have to think about the person's like whatever the problems which were
Exactly.
and because this thing I was going through it, because I was actually wanting high ticket clients, and I wanted to have that perspective that why should I like waste my energy or my resources to some person who is not actually able to think about whatever the amount of knowledge which I am sharing with him or her. So like it was more about that I was more focused after this that there should be like 5 to 6 lines. So when your ad was saying this that you have to hit like high ticket clients and this, so I thought that I should book first a call, and then so the main thing was that people were actually directly selling कि 500 रुपए में ले लो or something like this. So I was like hey, this thing I know what actually people are doing. Okay. But actually I wanted to because your ad was actually built in a way that that is your actually I should say that is your good advertising part, that because it was like more focused on the whatever the problem the person is facing. So I got to related to it, and then I booked a call.
Right.
Yeah.
Got it. And then when you were on the call, right, and you were talking to Pratham, and when we told you the price and everything, you must have like noticed कि अरे यार वो information तो मेरे को वहाँ 500 की भी मिल रही थी, or maybe I could have gotten it on YouTube or whatever. So my question is, despite having that scenario, how did you convince yourself कि maybe I should pay them the money as well? क्योंकि call तो कोई भी book कर लेता है, that is like done. But then how did you also decide I should pay them this high ticket price as well? I should become a high ticket client.
Yeah. So actually it was like this that I was when I was on call, so I was like it was a very descriptive call. So we were discussing about my business, whatever I am doing now, and whatever like how Uability can help me that time. So whatever the modules which Pratham told me that the systems will be developed, and you can like motivate your clients, or you can get good clients according to our system, whatever you people have developed. So I got this I got this confirmation, and then I got a mail also regarding whatever the modules are, basic like basic idea of the module. So then I obviously researched onto internet also that what actually will be the modules, and then I watched hundreds of your videos already been there on Uability, and what I actually, and then I obviously, because being a digital marketing person, this is my like you can say asana. So because I got to go to the social media profiles also. So I was seeing that this person like is doing wonderful things. Well, they are having good clients, but they're not having so much of followers. Why that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So that is because we are into this field. So it is
Mm-hmm.
like the first thing which hits us that why not? Then I was scrolling through your both of the profile. So I got to like feel it. The feel was that they are basically not the people who want fame, but they
Right.
wanted to educate actually. So
Right.
yes, so they wanted to educate and they wanted to tell people that whatever they are doing, the other people should also follow them and do that. So the basic thing which I got to know. So I was like more convinced about it that, and then obviously I read about your story also from childhood, what all actually you did, and then so I thought that obviously when I am able to change, like, I have to change some of my perspective or some of my things in my business. So why not go to this course? So it was like that I was fully convinced about whatever the modules you were doing. Obviously after coming to the course and enrolling, then I got to know more about it, which I was not expecting actually. But
You
it
weren't?
was like, yeah, I was actually not expecting that that I will be like how I will be able to create a niche of my own of but by just like I have to do it on my own.
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking that you people will suggest me कि ये करना है, but it was not like this.
Hmm.
So I obviously, but before that, I was really being convinced by the like course, the idea of the course, whatever the course was about, and these small things like these hit me कि okay, why not give it a chance?
Got it. चलो ये तो क्लियर हो गया that कैसे join हुआ. But now let's talk about when you joined the program, right? What I want to know is these retainers that you have signed. How did that happen? Like, talk to me about this journey. कि ये how much you were saying कि before you were charging like 5,000 rupees, and how much you were charging before?
Yeah, it was like first my first client was when I have not actually entered into my one of my business. So it was like 5,000. But
Right.
before joining UAbility, it was more of like maximum was 25K.
Right.
25K it was maximum.
And abhi, how much did you sign that client for?
One for 45 and one for 66.
Wow. So that's like almost 2-3 times what you were charging before, right?
Yes.
Awesome. So, Lubna, what I want to know is two things. Okay? First, I want to know is कि when you joined the program, you got access to everything. ये कैसे हुआ? Like, how did you go about from scratch finding these two clients? And number two, how did you get the mindset to actually quote them 3 times higher than what you were doing before?
Yeah, so actually, one thing was that actually because I am like a 5 months old member in your course, so actually, but actually, I have like seen your Facebook groups and all. People are doing great, but actually, due to some of my families, I was not able to complete. Like I have today also, I'm not able to complete the whole course, but starting weeks I have actually done. So because I have to because as I was not able to complete, but still it was like that I was having a guilt that I have to complete it. So Saturdays, Sundays I usually devote to this course. So it was like that I have to have something, but actually because obviously I have to get going my business also. So I was searching for some clients. So firstly it was like that before joining UAbility, it was like that I got references for someone that I am doing. One client which is there, so he or she can give reference to me of some other person. So I got I meet that person and then do it. But because after COVID, it was like that we have to actually we were more driven to Zoom or other things. So these clients, they were like around a month, they have been lingering and I was just talking to them. But before actually joining UAbility, it was like that a person which I am talking to, so if he says that नहीं इतना charge हम तो नहीं कर पाएंगे something like that, so I actually reduces my amount, reduce my amount in something, चलो एक deal तो हो ही जाएगा, something like that. ठीक है तो but now my mindset has been shifted to that if I am like giving my services, so this will be my ultimate like then my ultimate thing will be this. So I'll not be able to charge more like less to it, and whatever the services are, I'm more focusing on my services, that whatever
Right.
specific services I'm giving, so that is more important, despite of the whatever the amount I'm charging. So
Hmm.
I just whatever the amount I'm telling to them or I'm quoting to them, so I'm just sticking to that amount, that you just focus on services and you just like have a 3 months contract, and then you can see whatever you have to do it.
Hmm.
So with this 66 one, I have said this only, that for 3 months you have to, like, it's a 3 months contract, and I have said that if you are getting like good results out of it, so I'll be shifting it to 1 lakh. So he was saying that okay, we'll see to it, but because my focus was after joining Ubility, my focus has been shifted to this only, that I have to have clients which I am having minimum 1 lakh per month retainer.
Got it. And I can also see, like, changes in your confidence level as well, because, saying to somebody that, look, I will get you results and then I'll charge you more. So, that
Yeah.
also takes like guts. And most people don't have that level of confidence in their services, and that's the reason why they keep giving discounts all the time.
Yes. So it is one of the main reason, because that time also I was not able to have that type of confidence,
Hmm.
that I'll be able to like do it. I'll be able to get them some results or not. But now I am a pretty confident, like, because whatever the things I have seen in the course, or I can implement that same thing into their business also, or to their like personality also. So obviously, because I'm having that confidence that okay, I'll be able to do it, when this course has changed my confidence level, so obviously I can also do it. So that
Wonderful.
obviously that has changed a lot.
Wonderful. And I mean, even if you can't, like, you have access to me and the entire team and the community. So, like, whenever you need help, you can, like, bang on, just ask for help, right?
Yeah, because we are having, and we some of the members, they have made a separate group also to maintain that the charm of the group, that whatever the accountability thing. So we usually do it, and whatever the things, whatever the course we have done, so we are doing. So it was like actually, because I haven't completed the course, so due to some of the reasons, I was not able to just consistent on that group also. But now I am a pretty consistent. So obviously I'll be having that result, which are like my dream ticket or whatever I'm thinking. So I'll be getting soon.
Absolutely. And I know you will very soon. Lubna, one thing I want to know, since, like, the 5 month journey of yours, since the time you joined, what do you think has been, like, your happiest moment so far?
Like my happiest, like frankly, if I say, is that I usually like get very happy when anyone, like in the Facebook group, is telling about that I have hit. So I really I can quote some of the people, like Sharon is doing a great job. So now whenever he is messaging anything, any comment, so I also get motivated to it, that yeah, he's doing great. वो vacation पे भी जा रहे हैं, so Lubna, you should also do it.
Right.
So that is my a very like motivating plus a happy moment. And then I showed to my husband also, that see, and then when I am like on the course also, so whenever I am like in anything which I'm getting like stuck or anything, so I just like I have a notes book. I have made notes of all the lectures which are going. So like I feel happy, because whatever things I am like dealing with, normal day-to-day problems in my business, so I can go to that course and get some of the other things. And if
Right.
not on the course, then I
Hmm.
can get a call, or the Q&A calls which are happening, so I can get and do it, like it can be resolved in a minute. So that
Right.
that is like happy, because obviously as a business owner, our happiest moment is जब पैसा आता है basically.
Right. So
Yes.
I think the happiest moment would be when you got that 60-65K ka client.
Yes, yes. So obviously, and to actually to have that confidence that 66 पे ही done करना है.
Hmm.
Yes, that also I got obviously from this thing that वो ही करना है.
Hmm.
So obviously that obviously is the biggest happy moment of mine. That yes.
Right. So, Lubna, what I was asking you is that, a lot of, people watching this video would also love to know, considering that you are a mother and you have a family as well, and you also run a business, right? Can you give some tips to mothers who are planning to start a business, or maybe they are already running a business, and maybe, something holds them back that, how would I do it? I have a child to take care of and all those things. So, if you could give any tips regarding that, that'll be very helpful.
Yeah, so actually, because I am like I have been working in this business since I was 6 months pregnant. So, like family actually holds you back that don't do it. It will be very stressful and other things which will like Indian family and Indian
Exactly.
mindset is same. So,
And that to be for
but
starting a job, and starting a business for a lot of females, that to be at a motherhood stage. Like, firstly, that's like very good that you have done. I'm sure you are an inspiration to a lot of people. So,
yes. So
yeah,
that time, and then I have actually trained my child also. So she is knowing that when mama is putting a lipstick, so she has to go to a
work.
meeting. Yeah. So she like she has and according to like her schedule is maintained like that I am actually getting up at if I'm getting up at 6, so she'll be getting up at 7. So I have made a schedule because I have to work. It is not like this that according to her the things will be. It is like a family support. Which actually people say that it's a family support. So me, my husband, and my daughter is like that. We are having a particular schedule. So to all the mothers like to be mothers or who are having the business and they wanted to like expand it, so I wanted to say that make a proper schedule of your time which is like lacking which people lack that हमारा छोटा बच्चा है so I will not be able to do it. But yes, I have worked when I was feeding her in the night like around 2 I was feeding and I was just like talking to one of my clients.
wow.
Yes. So it's like this that because I was having this like I was having this business thing that I have to make it happen.
Right.
And I wanted to prove to other people also in my family and obviously to other people who say that mothers actually can't do it. So I have to like I wanted to say to people that you have to make a proper schedule of your time and you have to make your child or your family according to the business which actually you have to get respect from the other people that you are also doing something. So it's not like that like whatever the things you are doing it whether it be a small business or a big business whatever it is, but actually when you are using your talent or knowledge to do something, so you have to get that respect and the respect will be just be got when you are actually in that time space whatever you have scheduled. So it's like this only that I have like a proper time schedule of mine that I have to do this and this thing. And then my husband is also very supportive, so you have to get that support. Actually people or wives say that we don't get support from that our husband because वो नहीं चाहते हैं or something like that, but you have to get that respect, so you have to actually prove them firstly.
Right.
So actually you have to prove them that your work whatever you are doing is actually work. You are actually you can change some of the part of the family matters or some of the things. So you have to prove, and now we are actually doing this thing that because we have a child of around 2.5 years, so like we are having shifts of our seeing her. So it's like this that in the morning I get to work and he sees the child, and then in the evening he gets to work because he has international kinds of softwares and all. So he sees to them, and then I have to go and get the things of the child done. So it's like this that you have to get actually the time frame which is needed for your business. And secondly, don't ever get demotivated of anything happening around. If you are getting dip in your business, there are a number of things which can actually improve it if you are having that will. If you are actually not confident about yourself or about your business, nobody can do
Else
it.
will do
So
it.
you only have to make that happen. So, and I am seeing nowadays that there are several n number of mompreneurs which are doing great job on Instagram. Instagram is full of this mompreneurs a lot, and people are actually motivating them. People are actually getting influencers and all. We are also having so many mom influencers of some of the brands, but because the people are actually wanting to empower them. So, if you are consistent in your work and you are having that will and confidence, so nobody can stop you anywhere.
Wow, like
Yeah.
that's some wonderful piece of advice. And anybody watching this video, like, this is live proof. There should be no excuses at all. Like, at 2 a.m. while
Yes.
taking care of your baby, if she can do calls with clients, I'm sure that anybody else making excuses, like, there should be none. You just have to do it, and you have to prove, as Lubna said, you have to prove your worth to your family so that you can gain that necessary respect and the support from them. So great saying. And Lubna, I'm super proud of you. Like, congratulations again for what you've achieved. Just before I let you go, Lubna, if anybody watching this video, let's say they are interested in learning more about what you do, or maybe learning more about digital marketing from your end, what's the best way to get in touch with you?
I have my contact number is already like 24 hours. I'm active on WhatsApp, so it's 8006872426. So it is like active anytime. So if any, I actually want those people who want to get some tips of this mother thing, because I wanted to actually empower people to empower ladies and women to just actually think about this, because I have seen, because my 50%, 50 or 70% of my employee part is ladies also. So it is not like that I am doing some feminist. I'm not a feminist actually, but actually I wanted to
help out other females in the country.
help others who are actually a little bit demotivated from their families or something like that, and they are having that caliber to do it. So I wanted to motivate those persons or give them certain tips that they should not be thinking like that. So if anybody wanting to contact me, so I'm always available.
Fantastic.
And one last thing I wanted to talk is about that if anybody apart from Uability is seeing this video, so I wanted to say that if you are having a hesitant of joining this course, if you are having a little it's not obviously a direct selling, but actually I am because I have been an experienced person from this course. So if anybody is thinking that abhi nahi or the amount is much, so just log on to that course. You will be able to make a difference as I did. So you will be this is my saying, and you can have my contact number from Rohan or from the Uability team. That has made a lot of difference in my mindset and in my obviously my family mindset also. So people like my husband is knowing, his friend is also knowing about Uability. So we usually talk about it. Yes.
Wow,
So,
wonderful.
yes.
And I think the thing that I'm really happy about is okay, money and the monetary results is one thing, but the fact that you also want to change like the female society in this country, like my support is like 100% with you, because a lot of females want to actually start a business in this country, but they cannot because of family pressure and whatnot. So if that's the case and you are in that situation, here's proof. Go take inspiration from her. I'll take her number or her contact details. I'll put it in the description. You need help with digital marketing, you need help with being inspired as a female, go contact her. She is literally doing amazing, and I'm sure that she can help you out as well. So
yeah, sure.
Lubna, thank you so much for taking out the time and doing this wonderful interview. And I'm sure that you're going to make a big difference in this country very soon.
Yeah. Thank you. It was my pleasure to be there in this interview. Thank you.
All right.